Alex Karsho, and today the car I am with you is the all new Audi S5. So this is the facelifted Audi S5. So you get this new full LED headlamps. They get the dynamic swipe indicators in them. So the side you are going to indicate will flow from that side. So this goes from right to left, and this goes from left to right. You also get this very sporty and aggressive looking Audi hexagonal grille with the Audi logo and the S5 flashing in it. You get this honeycomb design in the grille with this chrome inserts. The grille really adds to the appeal of the Audi S5, and the bonnet is also opted with the loads of creases in it, and it really adds to the bold character of the all new Audi S5. So now let's get onto the side of the car. On the side you get this 255/35 19-inch alloy wheels. These are the S alloy wheels with these S calipers. The calipers are a bit dusty because they give a really good braking ability while you are driving the car. You also get this S5 badging and the side fender, and the side mirrors are also finished in the steel aluminum feel, so it really gives the sporty appeal of the S5. So as this is the S5, you get this coupe style styling, and this styling really looks bold enough to impress even while you are driving the S5 around, and it also has this creases which really looks good. So in the rear you get this dynamic style indicators in the full LED tail lamps. You also get this Audi badging and this S5 badging in the rear. You also have this boot lid spoiler which really looks good, and it is painted in the color the car is, so it is body painted. And now let's see the boot of the all new S5. You get an electrically operated boot, and the boot is really very huge and you can load lots of stuff inside it. And you also get this high load lip, so stuffing in is a bit of an issue for the back. And now let's get into the interior of the Audi S5. So now here we are into the interior of the all new S5. So let me turn on the car. So as soon as you turn on the car, you hear that loud exhaust, which is really very good, even though it has a soft limiter. And you get the active exhaust system. So right now the car is in auto. So as soon as I will shift to dynamic, the valves will open and it will make the car a bit loud as well. So talking about the interior of the car, the interior is a bit cramped, but as it is the S5, the driving will always impress you. So you get this Audi MMI system. It is a touchscreen, as well as you can operate it from the steering wheel controls. So you can browse to the menu and everything of the car. You can increase or lower the volume if you want to. So this screen has this haptic touch feature. So when you select any option, you get the feedback so that you feel that you have pressed a button. And you get the 64 color ambient light in the S5, which is a standard feature. And you also get a host of other features like the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and many other features, including the huge panoramic sunroof. You also get Audi's 10 speaker system. So the audio quality is also pretty good. You also get the 10 speaker Audi's music system. So let's do a quick sound test. It has a really very nice bass, and it has a really very good effect in it. You get the surround 3D effect, so the sound quality is really nice if you are a music lover. And into the MMI now, so you get a host of features like you can control the ambient light, you get built-in navigation, you get phone apps like the you can give command to the car from your phone, and you can see the messages which the car gives, like if there is a service due and or anything, the car will notify it into the main screen. You also get a 2-zone climate control in the S5, and you get this touch sensitive buttons, so this really looks cool. You can increase or decrease the fan speed from here. You also get this tactile feel into the aircon vents, and you also have the temperature in reading inside them. And if you press this, it will turn into auto, and if you again press it, the auto function will be removed. You get 5 types of driving modes in the car. So one is the efficiency, then there is comfort, then there is auto, then there is dynamic, and also you get the individual mode. So you also get this Quattro badging in this beautiful aluminium finish. And now let's get into the rear seats of the S5. So here I am into the rear seats of the S5. So you get this fabric stitching in the center of the seats, and then there is the Dakota leather. So you get this armrest with 2 cup holders in them. These are the foldable cup holders, so you can close them when you don't need them. You also get a secret storage space in it. You can store another phone inside it, and you also get the seat pockets to hold your stuff in, and you also get pretty good door vents to house the 250 ml bottle in them. Now you get this dual finishes in the door. So one is the aluminum finish and another is the gloss black piano finish. You also get this Alcantara, so it really feels premium and sporty for the car. And you also get this LED reading lights. The light should have been touch sensitive like in the Audi Q8, but unfortunately you get these buttons to start them. You can also adjust the temperature for the rear passengers in back here. As you get only 2-zone climate control, only the front passengers have the right to change the fan speed, but not the rear passengers. And in the rear there is one minus point, which is that you don't get the sun blinds, which is really necessary in India for the scorching heat. So this is my review of the Audi S5. Hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked it, go smash the subscribe button and hit the like button as well.